welcome back. It's been a while. I am here at the Spangdahlem Auto-Bahn-Anza second annual car show. This year I did not enter anything because, well, I shipped my cars out last week. There will be a video coming out on how I did that whole entire process, so stay tuned, subscribe, and hopefully you join me on this long journey of shipping cars out from overseas to the States. But anyways, welcome back. We're here for, again, like I'm saying, the second annual Auto-Bahn-Anza. Hope you enjoy some of these clips. Turnout. Sorry for the short clips. This video is going to be very short. The weather wasn't that great. It started raining. A lot of people closed their hoods and headed out. So in total, they said about 40 cars showed up. Hey, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Try to come back. I will be doing a little process on how I imported my two cars. Hopefully they enjoyed this short little video. Thanks for watching, and God bless.